so love that's bad. But down the street you can hear their song. The message is strong.